point it? Yeah, there you go.
Keep it. Yep, I'm sorry.
Good Lord.
I hit one.
Yeah, you about hit me. It's time. Let's go. Let's party. I'm waiting on my beautiful wife to arrive. The car is basically packed. It's clean. It's a beautiful day. Look at this. Oh my God. It's about to be a beautiful weekend, baby. Dylan Jones, you're getting married, baby. Here we come.
Two hours later.
Buddy buttons.
Closer. I know I should have treated you better in a perfect world, but we're not always what we promised to be. You caught my words in mid-air. The silence hung as you caught my arm. Conversations locked away in my mind.
Here we go.
Any water.
We have officially arrived. A nice big old sexy set of stairs. Oh shit. Who's rich in this bitch? Oh shit. My man went all out, bro. Look at that. That shit's fucking fire. Make it do stuff. Figure it out. Sorry, Saucy, she already broke it. I love it though, it's beautiful. Also, I definitely got top bunk seats. No. Yeah, we about to go out here. Got to go say what up to the fam.
Love this.
Oh yeah, look at the, she fell down the steps. Sing them again, go ahead. Nice.
Alright, now me and Dylan's
What's
turn.
up?
Dylan, are you getting excited, dude?
I'm getting very excited. I'm excited to go eat some good food and go get drunk as shit tonight.
You trying to get hammered?
I'm getting hammered every night.
Alright, one, two, three.
Just have to believe what you're shooting at. Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
1, 2.
Goodness.
We just went through rehearsal. Oh, damn, we looked good. You double fisting out here, Papa?
Papa.
I hear you,
Not
baby.
yet, but I'm fixing to.
Hey.
I have to.
We're just gonna be walking up here and just here. Bop, 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 bop. This is the most exercise I've gotten in 8 months. Just walking up to this gun range 5 times.
So intense.
Keep it down.
It'll be good.
4 times. So finger on the trigger, or not finger on the trigger, finger up there.
Until you're ready to shoot.
So you're ready to shoot, and then once you're ready to shoot.
All right, arms straight out. Beautiful. Have an aim. Nice. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Point it. Yeah, there you go.
Keep it. Yep. I'm sorry.
Good Lord.
I hit one.
Yeah. You about hit me. Nice. Country. Lauren just shot her first gun. I mean, she pointed it right at me afterwards, but we're not going to talk about that. Away from yourself, but at others. That's safe. So we're headed to the vineyard at 5:30. I guess dinner's probably at like 6, something like that. We'll have a nice rehearsal dinner. We already went through the rehearsal. Everything's perfect. Everybody knows what's going on. So then we're just gonna head to the rehearsal dinner and turn up. Let's go. Bro, Dylan, somebody's butthole was out apparently.
Yeah, Jessica's butthole was out. Today? Yeah.
Who are they riding
That
with?
dress is so short. They're going to get their car right now. The boys.
So her butthole was out?
Apparently she bent down and it was straight butt.
Nice, dude.
Sexy fucking people, dude.
Oh yeah, dude.
Oh my god.
Oh shit.
Looking good.
I'm gonna let my dad's my best man. I'm gonna let him wear a jacket.
Yes.
Where's Lloyd at, bro?
Got lost in the woods, dude.
Yeah, we lost a groomsman. We haven't even gotten to the wedding yet.
Whoa, Black Betty! Oh my god, that's a nice shot.
We're running off about 4 hours of sleep. Got drunk as hell. Yeah, we all got pretty fucked last night. She blew the bathroom up this morning. I smelt it when I came over here. Let's welcome Richie to the Real Touchy vlog, dude. Richie, what's going on?
Hey.
You look damn good.
Do you think that really?
Yeah.
Thanks. I do too.
Thanks, bro.
Let them see you.
Oh, they see me.
Look very good.
You were okay.
Oh yeah.
Alrighty, what the hell's going on? Where do I even start, bro? Last night was fantastic. What a beautiful ceremony. What a beautiful everything, man. Congratulations, Dylan and Rachel. Some of my best friends, man. What a way to do it. Y'all had a big go. It's Saturday. Everybody in the wedding party's left over. And we're about to go to downtown Asheville. Live like fancy people. Live like kings. Look at this view every morning. I'm gonna miss this place so much. So we gotta go hard one last time. I'm gonna be hot. This shit's hot. I can't believe this man's still alive. We don't have a lot of footage of it, but he was pissed drunk. So the Asheville trip's been a bit of a disaster. Maybe not quite a disaster. It's not what we planned. Can't get anywhere. Can't get into anything with the whole group. We rolled up 15 people deep. Now me and my lovely wife are headed to a nice little chocolate shop.
Leah, don't do it!
Who hasn't gone?
Oh, yeah, Austin, seriously, don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me.
Yeah, one cheek each.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, all right. Ow!
Oh my god.
I can't move. Ow!
Alright, Lauren, you drink as many sips as there are dumb guys in this room. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drink 2 times if you smell your farts under the sheets just for the pleasure.
Give me that one right there. Drink up, you fucks. I know all you do too.
I love to smell my farts.